Hello and welcome to a new episode of smashpop Unbox, okay? And in this video, we're going to unbox this thing called the Jaybird Freedom Wireless. It's actually a wireless earphones for athletes or people who loves listening to music while running, while cycling, while doing sports, while doing workout. Yeah, you get the gist. So this is it. Well, this is their latest wireless earphone series. It's called the Freedom Wireless and it looks like this. Before I start unboxing it, I just want to tell you that I got this from London because it's not available here in Malaysia. Oh. So yeah, but I'm sure if you want to get it, there are some third-party websites out there that's probably bringing them over to Malaysia. I don't know. So yeah, so let's check out what's inside the box. Oh, there's this dog ear here that we can actually pull. Oh, magnetic, and this is it. See-through. Very nice. Power your passion. There's this guy here, using the Freedom Wireless, listening to music while sitting on a bicycle. I'm not sure whether he's really cycling or just posing. This is the wireless, the Freedom Wireless, and in this, itchy lah. I think my ears is itching to listen to music. This is the Freedom Wireless. This is the charger. And to take it off, all I need to do is to peel this plastic here, and it will remove the plastic cover. Ta-da! Okay, and let's remove this top part first and put this aside. Inside here there's a bag. Under the bag we have, susahnya. Okay, we have the manual that basically tells you how to set it up, how to pair with the app and stuff. The pouch, probably. It says Jaybird, very nice. I saw from their website, right, that the only way to open this bag is to pitch it both sides. Press this both sides and then it will open them out like. There you go. So it's actually magnetic and it's very, very strong. Inside here there's a clip. Okay, 1 2 3 4 5 6 of these spongy buds, 6 of these rubbery buds, the micro USB cable for charging, and also these wing tips, okay, to actually fit into your on your buds so that it fits nicely in your ear. Okay, so in the middle here is the charger, the cradle, which is used to charge the earphone, and this is how the Freedom Wireless looks like. So this is it, the Freedom Wireless earphones. This is the controller. As you can see, there are 3 buttons, plus, minus, and also the middle button. So it's basically to increase and decrease the volume, changing tracks, answering phones, rejecting calls and stuff like that. Alright, so I've just done setting up the earphones, and I've connected it to the app called My Sound by Jaybird, and even my buds are ready to roll, yo. So I'm just gonna try and see if the music is good enough. Okay, by the way, this is not the right way. Yeah, this one's supposed to go behind. Let me just play a song from the Suicide Squad original soundtrack. I'm not sure if you can hear it. Wow, seriously, for a wireless earphones, the sound quality is really, really good. Very, very solid. The vocals are very clear, and there's also an option to actually boost the bass. Okay, and the bass is actually very strong. So many things given in one small package. Quite worth it lah. All right, so yeah, it's about 100 plus USD. If you check out their website, you will know the price. I'll put a link in the video below. I'll put the link under my video below. I'll put the link below. So until the next episode of smashpop Unbox. 有，